doesn't like drinking a fruit shake? Usually, the most common are the ones made of banana, and we love the sweet taste of bananas with that creamy texture of milk, right? That's why in today's video we will teach you how to make a delicious drink using banana and turmeric. Do you know the benefits of this combo? Banana has a high nutritional value, antioxidants, natural sugar, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. Besides that, it facilitates the elimination of liquids and toxins and also contributes to the detoxification of the body. Did you know that? Turmeric, on the other hand, has curcumin as its active ingredient, which offers an amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. It is highly recommended to eliminate toxins from our body in a natural way. Turmeric also has a stimulating function on the natural enzymes of the body, being a great element to improve the metabolism of fats and proteins. This amazing drink of banana and turmeric can help clean your liver, one of the most important organs of the body, for better health. Amazing, isn't it? Do you want to learn this recipe? Write down the ingredients. 3 bananas, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 slices pineapple, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 spoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, ½ teaspoon grated ginger. Doing it is very simple. Dice the bananas and pineapple, put them in a blender, add the other ingredients, and blend for a few minutes until smooth and creamy. Drink right after. You can drink it once a day since it is nutritionally rich and has many calories. If you have one of the problems listed on the suggested videos with ginger or turmeric, avoid consuming them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.